What are the varying state-specific LLC filing rules? Imagine starting a business and realizing that the rules for forming a limited liability company are not the same everywhere. That's right. Each state has its own set of rules you need to follow. When you decide to form an LLC, the first step is usually filing articles of organization with the state's Secretary of State or a similar agency. Some states also ask for an operating agreement, which explains how your LLC is managed and who owns what. While you don't always have to file this agreement publicly, it's a good idea to have one in place. Filing fees can be quite different from state to state. For example, some states charge as little as $50 to file, while others like California ask for an annual minimum franchise tax of around $800. States like Wyoming and Montana have lower fees, often around $70 to $100, making them more affordable for new businesses. Besides the initial filing, many states requiring you to submit annual or biennial reports and pay a fee to stay in good standing. Delaware, for instance, does not requiring annual reports for LLCs but does charge an annual franchise tax. Privacy rules also vary a lot. In some states like Wyoming, New Mexico, and Nevada, LLC owners can keep their identities private, which is great if you want to stay anonymous. Other states, such as Florida, requiring public disclosure of members or managers, which means your information becomes part of the public record. Tax laws differ as well. Some states like Wyoming, Nevada, Texas, and Florida do not impose a state income tax on LLCs or their members. But others, like California, have significant franchise taxes regardless of how much money your LLC makes. Some states also have gross receipts taxes or other business taxes that could affect your LLC's bottom line. If your LLC plans to do business in more than one state, you will need to register as a foreign LLC in those states. This means filing additional paperwork, paying extra fees, and following each state's rules. It can add some complexity and cost to your business operations. Finally, some states have laws that favor businesses in legal disputes or provide stronger asset protection. For example, Nevada and Wyoming are known for laws that shield members' personal assets from business liabilities. States like Delaware have courts that are very experienced in handling business disputes, which can be helpful if your company faces legal issues. Most small businesses find it best to form their LLC in their home state to keep things simple and avoid extra registration costs. But if you want stronger legal protections or better tax advantages, considering states like Delaware, Nevada, or Wyoming might be worth it. Knowing these differences helps you pick the right state for your LLC and ensures you stay compliant with all the rules.